how to buy on Hoobuy. So this is a basic and easy guide on how to buy on Hoobuy. So first, you just have to simply create an account here or log into your account. If you don't have an account, then you need to sign up by providing basic information such as your email, name, and password. Now, search for products. Use the search bar at the top of the homepage to find products you're interested in. Enter specific keywords like the product name, brand, or category, like laptop or shoes. You can also browse by categories or check the featured or recommended sections to discover new items. Review product details. So once you find a product you like, click on it to view more details, including product description, price, shipping options, seller information, and customer reviews. After that, you can add to cart. So if you want to buy the product, just click add to cart. Review your cart. Go to your shopping cart by clicking the cart icon, typically located at the top right of the page. Review the items in your cart to ensure everything is correct. Now proceed to checkout. Once you're satisfied with the items in your cart, click the checkout button. Enter shipping information such as your address. You'll need to provide your address here. Select shipping information or method. Hoobuy may offer multiple shipping options such as standard or express shipping. Select the one that best fits your needs. Next is the choose payment method. You can select your payment method through credit card, PayPal, or other local payment methods. Place your order, track your order, receive and review your order. When your order arrives, inspect the items to ensure they are described. By following these steps, you can easily browse, purchase, and track items on Hoobuy. Be sure to read the platform's policies. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.